Good morning, everybody. Here's your core bites number 130. So the first one has a function chart and you're trying to figure out the missing numbers. So you have y, which is your answer, is you find that by doing x, which is your number on top, minus 4. So 8 minus 4 is 4. 10 minus 4 gives you 6. 12 minus 4 is 8. 14 minus 4 is 10. 20 minus 4 is 16. 30 minus 4 would give you 26. 40 minus 4 would give you 36. 50 minus 4 would give you 46. So you're just using those numbers to plug it in to find the missing number. For number 2, it says, what is the sum of 125,475 and then 499? So the word sum means you need to add them together. So over here, I'm just going to line them up by their place value. So we have 125,475 and then 499. Sum means we're going to add them. So we're going to do addition. And then we just add them to see what our answer is going to be. So 9 plus 5 is going to give you 14. You're going to regroup, carry over that 1 for that 10. Then you have 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 7 gives you 17. You're going to regroup that one. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Put your comma, bring that down for your place value, for the period value there. And then 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 0 is 1. So your answer is going to be 125,974. Okay. For number 3, we're going to multiply this fraction. And so the easiest way to do this is just put a 1 under your whole number and then just multiply across. So 9 times 1 is 9. 1 times 3 is 3. And then you can divide because 9 divided by 3 gives you the whole number 3, and that's your answer. Okay? We're going to try to sketch an angle for the next one. So let's see. It says sketch an angle measuring 95 degrees. So if we know that 90 degrees is a right angle, which would be straight up, and it'd have that little block right here. So it's going to be a little bit past that, about right there. Okay? And then for the last one, it says what type of angle is shown in this picture. We have someone going camping with this tent. And if you notice, right here, it doesn't have, they should have added that little block for you to show the right angle. But that's what they're trying to get you to see because this makes that perfect shape right there, that straight edge. So this is a right angle. All right, guys. Make sure you check yours and please let us know if you have any questions about your core bites. Have a great day.